Hi everyone, welcome back to DevOps Steps. In today's video, I will explain how we can add auto scaling in our Kubernetes Laravel projects. So here you can see one Laravel project is already running. Like here is one DB container, one Laravel container, one Nginx container, one Redis container, and DB service, Kubernetes default service, Laravel, Nginx, and Redis service. These are all deployment. So I already opened this file in VS Code. So it will like easy to demonstrate. So here is a Laravel deployment file. So Laravel pod section. Then this one is service, Laravel service, and this one is Nginx pod and Nginx service. And other are like MySQL and Redis. I already explained these things in my previous video. So this video I will only explain how we can add the Kubernetes section auto scaling of situation. So first we need to add in the Laravel pod section resource type. Let me paste the thing. Let me fix the init condition. These are also this level. Okay. So here is like a resource and request we are using CPU 200 memory, and memory is 256 megabytes, and limits is 500, and memory is 512. So this thing is mandatory for monitor the pod uses. So we need to use these things for monitoring the pod. So the next thing we need to create a HPA file. So let me create a HPA file. So its kind is Horizontal Pod Autoscaler, this HPA. So we put the metadata name is Laravel HPA, and we are basically monitoring the Laravel app deployment. And resource type is like CPU. We are only monitor CPU. If we want, we can also add monitor option, memory option. So target is utilization is 60%. So like when the usage is more than 60%, the HPA will recreate another new pod, and it's like minimum capacity is 2 and maximum capacity is 5. So when the HPA is enable, it will launch minimum 2 Laravel pod, and it will increase maximum up to 5. So let me save this file and go to the control panel. Before I create the HPA file, we did some change in Laravel pod. Need to apply this one. So kubectl apply -f creates deployment kubectl get all. So that pod is destroyed and creating the new one because we did some change. Okay, so now for monitoring the metrics in Minikube, we need to add one add-on. So let me add that one, Minikube add-ons, enable metrics server. Okay, so it will enable the add-ons in Minikube. So this thing will basically monitor the pods uses. So if you sometimes face any issue, then after adding this one, just stop the Minikube and start the Minikube again. So let me check the pod uses none. So kubectl, sorry, top pod. So it will show me which pod are using how much CPU and memory. So it is DB pod is using 1 M and memory is 41 1 M, and Laravel one is 8 M and 95 MI, and Nginx 0 and 16 MI, so 5 mm and 20 MI. Okay, so now I will apply the HPA file. So kubectl apply -f HPA. So it's created. So kubectl get all. So now we can see the HPA section is created, and it's minimum 2 and maximum is 5, and here you can see that target is 60%. So when this inside CPU usage is more than 60%, there will be more pod will be created. So if you wait few more minutes, then we can see here another Laravel pod will be created. Check. So you can see now 2 Laravel pod is there. So one is 50 seconds created. Okay. So one thing I need to monitor, like kubectl get pods -w. So now is running pod is showing here. So when and more than pod will be added here, it will show here. So that's why I open this one. So now I will run a script that will like increase the utilization of the pod. Okay, we got this one. So it's just a script. It will run more file. So this file just using the CPU uses more. So then the pod will be created. So let me check again. So 0%. It's showing now 0%. So like it will when cross the 60%, then the new pod will be creating. And if I go that terminal, then see load generator is created. So we need to wait like around 5 to 6 minutes. Then the utilization going high and more pod will be created here. So let me pause the video and wait for 5 minutes. So like for a few minutes later, I will run the command again. And now I see the CPU is 86%, so should be run another pod here. So you can see like another pod is running. So like if I wait more, then like it will continuously up another Laravel pods, and it will go up to 5. Okay. So here you see the more pod is going to running. So script is already running. So let me pause the video, and we can see like it is 91%. So if I wait more, then more pod will be created here. So let me wait for a minute. So after a few minutes wait, I can see like here is already 5 pods is running, and if we go the channel, you can see the more pod is going to running. Okay, so if I go to the outside now, so let me see is this working properly now. So let me like refresh the page and register. So D98. So I see the website is working fine. So if I refresh, it's working properly. Okay, so this new pod creation will not get any impact in our website. Our website is running smoothly. So now when the pod usage is going to down, the pod the extra 3 pod will be destroyed. So let me close the script now. So Ctrl C, then exit, and it will reduce the usage now, and after some times the 3 pod will be destroyed. So let me wait few minutes more. So let me pause the video again. So after around 4 or 5 minutes later, I can check it now. I can see the CPU usage is 0%, and like our all extra Laravel pods are destroyed. Here is now only 2, and before it was like 5. Okay, so in the HPA section you can see the minimum 2. That's why here is 2 Laravel pod, and maximum we can expand up to 5. So in this way we can add auto-scaling in our Kubernetes projects, and this auto-scaling will help us to run our project smoothly. So when the usage is going high, the pod will be created automatically, and when the usage is going down, the pod will downgrade automatically. So our project will be run smoothly. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more DevOps and AWS tutorials. See you in the next DevOps deep dive.